G'day, Pimble here. This is a little iX5 by Dom. Nice and smooth. First Dom actually. Give this a go. There's a interactive element in the back. Pardon me. A little ball bearing up there. Let's get into it. That's a little false set. Let's put that over there. And we'll see if I can find this blinking interactive element. What's going on here? And then we're over. So we'll chuck that. That's a really cool little lock. Hopefully this isn't too much different than other locks. I probably should check a bit more often about gutting things. I normally just do it and deal with it, whatever. Should probably use a shim, maybe. Maybe. Oh yeah, cool. So that apparently this little thing here, that must be the blocker. And then the interactive is back here, I guess. Oh, it's got a little pin and pin. How cool. Alright, well, what's going on here? Oh, and then there's an element under here which must be key control. Huh. This has got really cool pins. torpedo. Far out, this is cool. So in there, I don't know if you can see, but there's two interactive elements on this one. But I'm guessing one's an actual interactive element and one's a class as a blocker. And then that key control one also comes up into the keyway. That's really interesting. But these pins are really cool. So I've got a standard on 1, standard on 2. Ooh. So, oh, that's cool. Wow. I do believe that's a rattlesnake. Is that what they call it? Well, another rattlesnake. Holy, this is pretty flippin' awesome. And what the hang? Oh yeah, that's the interactive. Well, that is super cool. Well, thanks for watching.